Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can run your Flutter apps on Apple Vision Pro glasses, right? So simply, first of all, I have created an app using the new Flutter 3.19 version, which they have launched the Google Generative AI. So using that, I have created a simple app where you can prompt the AI and AI will give you the responses like this. So if you prompt the AI, after that the AI generated AI will give you the response, the Google Gemini AI. Okay, so using this you can do multiple things, like tell me. Okay, so I can do multiple things, I'll get all the responses. So this app is now working on web, Android, iOS, iPad, Mac OS, everywhere, right? So it is just a simple app. I'll just show you the code of that. Okay, so whatever you ask the AI, it will give you the responses. Okay, so uh, in this, like, I have created a simple stateful widget where that is acting like a screen. Okay, it has a background, uh, a text field. On entering on the text field, pressing of the button, sending the data to the AI, and that AI is giving us response, and that response is we are showing in the text field. Okay, it is just a simple UI and the simple functionality of the app, right? So I just showed you it while it was running on the uh, web. So now what I want is I want to run this same application into our Vision Pro glasses. Okay, so as I don't have Vision Pro glasses right now, so I will be using a stimulator for that. Okay, so for that, first of all, what I need is I just want, if you have not opened the app on uh, uh, any Android devices, first of all you need to go to the root of the app, go to cd iOS, go to the iOS folder and type pod install. Okay, after the pod installation has been completed, just simply close the app. Okay, and uh, you need to open the Xcode. Okay, so Vision Pro glasses runs really slowly on the devices, as it is a really heavy application, right? So uh, I'll just open the my Xcode source project, the iOS one, in the Xcode. Okay, so first of all, over here you have to be really careful. Go to the settings, make sure inside the platform you have downloaded the Vision OS 1.0 or the any latest version which is available. I've already downloaded it, that is why it is showing as marked as blue in my device. Else it will show a get button over it, just simply click on that and it will get down, it will start downloading the Vision OS onto your computer. After that installation, you can simply come to the runner file. Okay, over here, it might happen that you don't, in the supported destination you might not have the Apple Vision selected over here. If not, don't worry, just click on the plus button, uh, go to Apple Vision and select design for iPad, right? So over here what we are doing is we are just simply running the iPad apps on Vision Pro, because creating native Vision Pro apps has to be done on Swift and Swift UI, right? Because it is not supported by Flutter yet. We might get support for it in later, right? So for now, we can only run iPad devices, iPad applications on Apple Vision Pro, right? So after you have added this to supported destination, you have to go to the destination you want to run it. Simply click on Apple Vision Pro designed for iPad and hit play button. Okay, after that it will take some time, it will build your app, it will index all your files. uh, as you can see, my build has succeeded. So over here, the Vision Pro stimulator has started, right? It will take few minutes. As it is like really new, it can be a bit laggy. So just bear with it in starting. After some updates, it will get way better. So this is a Flutter app. It is just loading right now. Okay, so I'll just tell you some features of Apple Vision Pro stimulator, right? Using this, you can control the app like the pointer, but in the real, you will be using your fingers and your eyes to control it. But as we are on the stimulator, you can use this and pointer. With this, you can navigate up and down, left and right. Okay, like you are viewing by moving your head. Over this, you can uh, go up and down, front and back. Okay, so also this also you can move freely. And yeah, so that was it for that. So now as you can see, our app is now working on the Vision Pro. So we can simply move, keep the screen wherever we want. If you want, we can increase the size as well, right? So I've increased the size of this. I want to type, I can simply click here, type. Wait a second till the keyboard. I can also keep the keyboard anywhere I want. I'll type, hey, how are you? Oh, I just misspelled it, but no issues, right? So I've given the response to the AI. I'll also get given the prompt to the AI. I'll also get the response. I think the AI misheard me. Okay, so simply like there are some feature like I can type it like this also. Right. So I can hit the AI and I will get all the responses. Okay. I can also change the theme if I want. For example, I want to change the theme to the kitchen. So I'm in kitchen right now. I can place it anywhere. Okay, I can move it. I can also make the size smaller, fit fit it anywhere I want, right? So all the basic features that Vision Pro has, I can move it simply, right? So it will be stayed over there only. I'll have to click this. Sorry. So it will work normally, right? So we have all the features and we can change the, for example, we want to be in a museum theme or something like that. So we can also do that. So that's it. Like you can simply run your iPad apps on the Apple Vision Pro if it is also made in Flutter or you have made it in the uh, I native Swift or Swift UI, that will also work. So there's no like difference. Apple Vision Pro can simply run any iPad apps. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.